Hello everyone. I am Avatar Aya for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley Results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour San Jose Tracts at Courtyard at Lundy, developed by Toll Brothers in 2006. Courtyards at Lundy, a Toll Brothers community located in the heart of Silicon Valley. Once an agricultural stronghold, San Jose has become a mecca for arts and culture, as well as a rapidly growing center for technology. San Jose, considered the capital of Silicon Valley, is the third largest city in California and the 10th largest city in the nation. The city's accessible location, comfortable climate, and affordable big city amenities make it one of the most desirable locations to live in the Bay Area. You will enjoy the stimulating atmosphere of city living with excellent schools, outstanding shopping, and a wide variety of cultural events close to home. Courtyards at Lundy, offering you both a charming neighborhood and a classic lifestyle, is an ideal place for you and your family to make new friends. San Jose has award-winning parks throughout the city, where you and your family can enjoy hiking, biking, and picnicking. Several private country clubs and public golf courses are nearby. Recently named the third most fun city in America by Cranium Inc., San Jose offers world-class cultural arts, nightlife, and professional sports, including the NHL's San Jose Sharks, theme parks, shopping, nationally recognized hotels, and restaurants. In Courtyards at Lundy, your home is a private haven in a city setting, just minutes away from any convenience you may need. In addition, the homes afford an uncommon standard of excellence due to their superior design and quality craftsmanship. You will live and entertain with pride at Courtyards at Lundy. The Courtyards at Lundy is a collection of 106 luxury townhomes, located within minutes of downtown San Jose, in the heart of Silicon Valley. These exquisitely designed homes feature spacious and highly detailed craftsmanship. In the surrounding area, there is easy access to great shopping, restaurants, schools, and cultural sites. Access via all major freeways including 880 and 101 make it easy to get to all major work centers of the area. Numerous amenities include a clubhouse facility and public park, as well as a pool and spa, add to your everyday living pleasures. Homeowner associate fee is around $352 per month. It covers common area electricity, insurance, common area, maintenance, common area, pools, spa or tennis. For example, over here is one of the plans. Here is another plan. Let's take a look at the site map. Here is the chart to demonstrate the latest comps in the tracts. The average home price in this tracts is around $700 per square feet. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Liu. Here is the introduction of Courtyard at Lundy, San Jose. If you have any questions, call or email me at any time. 488-280-600 and frank.liu1268@gmail.com. Thanks.